Darasi Kandiyomi, darasi na 4, lesson 4, Kanuri Hausa English. Kalmawa gade-gade, kalmomi daban-daban, different words. Tilam Kanuri, harshen Kanuri, Kanuri language. Bala, gari, town. Bulama, mai gari, village head. Kaska, bishiya, tree. Konnu, wuta, fire. Kuntul, garwashi, imbas. Kamari, cinnaka, black ant. Kalanji, kunama, scorpion. Kanasar, nasara, victory. Kananga, rayuwa, life. Ngre, jaka, bag. Kamu, mace, woman or female.